Hey guys, welcome to the last video in last module. In this video, I am going to show you how to purchase domain and hosting. Okay. In last video, we had seen about a different domain and hosting providers. So you can even check their websites also. But for now, I'm going to show you Hostinger and GoDaddy. So here you can see I had opened hostinger.in. So Black Friday sale is going on. Here you can see web hosting plus free domain and free SSL is included. Completely 70% off. So deal ends in 13 or so. Some offer is going on like a Black Friday offer. So I'm going to scroll down. Here you can see the three plans are available: single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. So guys, in each plan you can find some set of options here. I mean, some set of description points are here. Here you can see if you choose a single web hosting plan, then it is ideal solution for beginners. So here you can have a one website with one email, and also free SSL certificate will be given for a lifetime. So that SSL certificate will be 885 valued. Okay, so I mean, if you purchase SSL certificate, then it will be cost around 885 rupees. So completely 885 rupees was saved. And then free domain. So in this plan, if you choose this plan, there will be no free domain. You have to purchase the domain. So if I click here, you can see some more options. So DNS management, 2 MySQL databases, 2 subdomains will be given, and 1 FTP account. Okay, so these are all completely related to the basic plan. And so the second one, you can find a premium web hosting. So it is the perfect plan to purchase, because you can even host 100 websites in this hosting. If you purchase this premium web hosting, you can host 100 websites with 100 email accounts, and then free SSL certificate will be given, free domain will be given. So there will be a lot of options here. Okay, so here you can see 100 subdomains will be given, unlimited SQL databases. So it is the best plan. And then here you can see the beside business web hosting. So it is completely related to medium businesses or high businesses. Okay, so just don't go for this because it will be costly. So better go with premium web hosting or a single web hosting. It is up to you. Okay, choose anything. So I'm going to show you how to select a domain. Here you can see find the perfect domain name. So in this, so we have to enter the domain name here, type in the perfect domain name. So I'm going to check whether the domain with my name is available or not. Okay, Jashwant Reddy. I'm going to hit enter so that it will be showing all the available domains with my name, so that I can choose any one domain. Here you can see jashwantreddy.tech is available. It will be 49 per year, so it is very low. Okay, and then here you can find some sort of domains also. So you can choose anything, just hit on simply add to cart. But guys, if you choose a single web hosting, then you have to purchase the domain separately, or else if you choose the premium web hosting, then automatically domain will be free. Like at the cart, while purchasing, domain charge will be set to 0. Just roam around Hostinger. So I'm going to GoDaddy. So I'm going to explain you about GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is also quite similar, but only the plans and packages were different in each and every domain and hosting providers. Here you can see find your perfect domain. So let me search with a domain with my name is available or not, and if available, what will be the cost. Let us check. So just wait. So that here you can see jashwantreddy.com is available, and it will be showing 199 rupees for the first year. Okay, so here I can see some set of domains are available, so I can choose anything. Here you can see some xash.com is valued up to 2 lakhs. Okay, so it is like a premium domain. I don't know how it will be premium. So this is about domain. So let me show you about hosting. So here you can see on the header hosting will be there. So while clicking on hosting, you can find some business hosting, reseller hosting, and some set of hostings here. In this you can see WordPress hosting, or else here you can find a 3 set of hostings here: web hosting, WordPress hosting, and WordPress e-commerce hosting. So just go for WordPress hosting. Let me show you what are all the charges here. So here there will be 4 plans for a WordPress. So basic plan is 149 rupees per month, and Coming to deluxe, it will be 249, and here you can see, here you can get a free SSL. But coming to Hostinger, you can get a free SSL with any plan you purchase. Okay, see here, you can see free SSL, free SSL, free SSL. So completely SSL certificate will be given free in Hostinger. So but here SSL certificate will be not given. And also you can find some set of description here. One website with a 30 GB storage and ideal up to 25k monthly visitors, and also free business email. So free domain will be given, but here free domain is not given with a basic single web hosting. But coming to GoDaddy, in a basic hosting, single of a free domain will be given. So and then you can find some deluxe, ultimate and e-commerce plans. So just check out each and every plan, and just check out the descriptions also, and choose the domain and choose the hosting according to your need and price. Okay, just check out each and every domain and hosting providers, and also check off HostGator and Bluehost. Okay, so just check out their websites also, then you can find some set of offers so that you can purchase the best domain with the best hosting for very low price. So that's all about hosting and domain. I'm closing this session completely. If you are interested to see additional videos, those videos are available in bonus session. Just go there and check out. Thank you. Thanks for your time.